first let's have a look at the headlines. MEGHALAYA president arrested for allegedly assaulting assistant professor. Shillong observes silent shutdown to mourn Pahalgam terror. Meghalaya stands united in candlelight vigils for Pahalgam terror. STEM's school buses ease Shillong traffic, ensure safe commute for students. And Nongpo police crack down on smoking near schools. And now for the news in detail. Sandy Sotun, president of the Northeastern Hill University Students' Union, has been arrested by East Khasi Hills Police for allegedly assaulting Dr. Alok Singh, an assistant professor in the university's Hindi department. Superintendent of Police Vivek Singh confirmed the arrest and stated that Sotun would be produced in court. Authorities emphasize that the law will take its own course.
Yes, one arrest has been made.
Who is the person?
His name is Sandy Sotun, President MEGHALAYA.
Okay. And whether he will be produced to the court today, sir?
Yes, most likely today.
And what are the charges against him?
Assault, confinement.
Okay. And any other arrest also? Or only one?
The law will take its own course. Okay, thank you.
And unusual silence enveloped Shillong as shops and markets voluntarily shut down in response to the Shillong Citizens Forum's call for a peaceful protest against the recent Pahalgam terror attack that claimed 26 lives. Commercial hubs like Police Bazaar and Ladimpra saw widespread closures while government offices, schools and public transport operated normally. The symbolic shutdown, marked by a citywide stillness, reflected deep mourning and collective condemnation of the violence, turning Shillong into a quiet yet powerful voice of unity and resilience. Hundreds of residents gathered at the Kindailat in Shillong and Thakur Bari temple in Tura to hold candlelight vigils in memory of the 26 innocent tourists killed in the recent terror attack in Pahalgam. Organized by the Shillong Citizens Forum and the Tura Thakur Bari Committee, the events drew large crowds from all walks of life, united in grief and condemnation of terrorism. Participants raised slogans demanding justice and expressed solidarity with the victims' families, sending a strong message of peace, resilience and communal unity. School bus initiative launched by Meghalaya government in 2022 has significantly reduced traffic congestion in Shillong, with over 1,300 students now using the service. Currently, 39 buses are operational, with plans to expand the fleet to 60 by year end. The initiative, which aims to provide a safe and hassle-free commute for students, have removed an estimated 56,000 vehicles from the city roads. Authorities are now assessing the feasibility in other towns like Tura and Jowai, while working to address the concerns of schools still hesitant to join the program.
So we started, this was a very humble beginning from 2022 onwards, where ideation was done, and those are 2023 onwards we started धीरे करके on a pilot basis running these buses. Today 30 buses are running, 39 buses actually, with a total capacity of 1236 students. As we speak, we are currently working hard and proactively to ensure that by the end of this year, total 60 buses are running. So which means, from if you reduce 39 from that, around 21 more buses, we are actively working to ensure that we can get them running as well. So that
every time me and my mother used to go by the taxi. So yeah, it's much time wasted for us. So it has been able to save a lot of time of my parents.
It saved my mom's time a lot because she works in the shop. That's why.
In a strong push to enforce the Cigarettes and Other Tobacco Products Act 2003, Nongpo Police intensified action against public smoking, particularly near schools. The initiative included imposing fines on violators and conducting awareness drives to highlight the health risk of smoking and second-hand smoke. Aimed at safeguarding children and the general public, the police has also reminded business owners to display no smoking signage as mandated by law. Authorities urge public cooperation in maintaining smoke-free zones to ensure a healthier environment for all. Negrums is set to commission its 150-bedded critical care block by September or October this year, according to Director Dr. Nalind Mehta, implemented under the PM Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission. The facility is designed to handle contagious disease like COVID-19 without disrupting routine hospital operations. Despite earlier delays, officials remained optimistic about the timely completion of this vital healthcare infrastructure project. Once operational, this block will significantly boost the hospital's emergency response capacity and enhance specialized care. It will also help decongest existing facilities, improving overall patient management at Negrums.
Critical care block, the CCB, that is coming up at Nigram, there is a 150-bedded project, and this is under the PM Abhim Yojana, and this is for ensuring that we have a facility to combat contagions like COVID or any other serious infectious disease in case there is an outbreak without affecting the routine hospital services. So this will be a standalone critical care isolation kind of thing. Now this project has been delayed for a variety of reasons, but is coming up now, and we are hopeful that it should be completed by the end of this year. So we are, looking at sometime end of September or October and hoping that it comes up pretty quickly.
The Meghalaya government will sanction funds for the long-pending BPL housing project at Lom Phira, Nongmansong once the detailed project report is completed, Deputy Chief Minister Sngyaw Bhalangdhar announced. Initially funded under the now defunct JNNURM scheme, the project will now be taken up under the state plan. Dhar informed that the DPR is currently being prepared and assured that funds will be sanctioned immediately after its finalization. In addition to completing the housing units, the government also plans to construct internal roads and carry out other necessary infrastructure work to make the project fully functional.
The remaining work, the balance work, whatever it is, we try to complete. It's all the balance work. Okay. In terms of everything, every building, the road, the footpath, the electricity, the water, everything. When everything is completed, we'll see the problem. What is the amount? We'll get the sanction, we'll complete the work.
The Henyo Trap Youth Council, Nong Thleu Circle, has submitted a memorandum to the DC of Eastern West Khasi Hills demanding the removal of the Section 163 BNSS order that bans 9-ton truck movement on the Mau Maram Maulindep Sao Road. HYC President Joplang Kharnayor highlighted the severe impact of the restriction of hundreds of villages dependent on this key route for essential supplies. He criticized the blockage at Lad Sao and Mau Maram, stating that alternate routes via the national highway face similar disruptions. The council urged authorities to resolve the issue and restore smooth connectivity for the region.
Nak memordom sa gorman kumbangi la batay bini hang ne habi dei bat ka igijing kebangi pat bat nong sistem hakti ke cekak yukendu lemar kejing strict palat di ketika jing penkam ketika anya ketika cekak kejungi ban khai kali kendai ton bunsen kumba batay kuwi ba tak kali luparu keladon pa kendai ton nak kali jong keseng kadang lek dak lenti ke bedai ban pelat ya ka kali kit simen hakti ke cekak te kalau lek dang ti bedai ban yakran ban lek du apo thanat ban ong basa itu di kali ba ki paj ba nong song ne ki ba wan pendak mal nak bi kecekah kani kecekah ke jungi sung pelat hari kim sem la pelat dena kata kata keseng kalau mut bantum nak bor ketik sengil dam pelaj ikti kali.
The Press Information Bureau held an orientation in Shillong ahead of the World Audio, Visual and Entertainment Summit Waves from May 1st to 4th in Mumbai. Journalists and content creators highlighted the summit's potential to empower Meghalaya's youth. Iban Kintiu Mauri of the Shillong Press Club discussed the summit's role in fostering collaboration in the entertainment industry, while Ferdinand Rani and Dawan Kharkongor encouraged local creators to leverage the platform for exposure. Afaq Hussain stressed the opportunity for young talent to build sustainable careers through social media.
A bit about Meghalaya as well as a multi-platform and has given content creators like me to earn and supported all of us. Because back then, let's say, the only people who could support are maybe people who have like government jobs or who work as engineers, doctors. But now, content creators are getting financial aid. They're getting this film grant that just happened, whereby the government's giving money for them to make movies.
It's a place where people from the media field, professionals, content creators, tech visionaries can come together in one platform to share their inputs, to have discussions, collaborations. And one of the good things is that WAVE isn't just a conference, it is the future of the media and entertainment sector.
Residents from various villages including Maulong, Nongpo and Umden have expressed immense joy and relief as construction work on the long-awaited Nongpo-Umden Sonapur road has finally begun. This highly anticipated project, which has been in the works for many years, was officially launched and locals were able to witness the event firsthand. Here is a detailed report.
Construction began. The foundation stone for the project was laid by Preston Tensong, the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, in the presence of Mayor Bons Aim, MLA of Nongpo, and other prominent figures. The road construction, estimated to cost over Rs 49.63 crores, will cover a 20-kilometer stretch connecting Nongpo to Umden. The previous state of the road had caused significant inconvenience to the public, with poor conditions making daily commutes difficult. With the start of this project, residents from Umden and surrounding areas are hopeful for smoother, more efficient connectivity. Local leaders and residents have praised the state government, particularly Tensong's leadership, which made the road construction a reality. Mayor Bons Aim also received recognition for his efforts in highlighting the road's importance to the state government, helping secure funding for the project.
Nagaliang jungi kung kesunjuk hadin bangilo I bat kijing kular jong sar perstun akupor bawan bu yang mau nurim bat mentah ngilo I kijing petri tingi pupau kijing akublei ya kesortar ya ketenat di PWB kebala inchat dau deputy chief minister sar perstun susong tingi pupau ru kijing akublei ya ki pajba bat kiwi ki bala sim bentah ke ban yakhi le ban sia stom ban pun urlong ya kene kijing temu kijing ndut jing pajba jong kene kedong berkathan kijing menteri ne usuro kanlong kabaya BRT bakin omdon kino ki jing penwit jing pentut akupor ban menteri uke usuro
nga penpau ka jing sukman ka makrau hadin kat kitu kisnem kijing yakhi halo jong ne usuro NUS ba mentah ke sarkar kelak sengap kene ki jing kerpat jongi kinong susnong jong kene kathan but ni sengoban ai kublei kat pangru ye kinong ni khamat jongi khamtam ya UMLA bat MDC bela simkhia halor kene ki jing e jong kene ki pajba jong ne kathan
Ndit habang idon ke jing e por mentah ke por slap por tlang polur bela de bantrei re ke por slap re wat mentah kontrak re la bangnya bej anti re nakaliang jing pajba jinong jing sedong kathan jong kadong jing re toya sa stom jing kerpat nakaliang jungi re ki kwa ba kelong balong
Speaking with Mayor Bons Aim, MLA of Nongpo, who played a key role in sanctioning the project, he expressed his gratitude and acknowledged that the road was a long-awaited need for the public. He urged residents to cooperate during the construction as the monsoon season brings challenges with dust during dry spells and mud in the rain. He asked for patience, emphasizing that the road will bring benefit both present and the future generations. Aim also assured that he has spoken to contractors, confirming that the work will be completed within a year.
Di nagaliang jonga nga penpau jing sungu hi kene gede ka mat ka ba kipat ba jela kwi lenti bat ba menta ba kala urlong penpau jing sungu ya ka sorkar ki bala sngap jing ut jing nam demi pimpinong hikmat bat ba ka ba kongsan menta kalong ba ka jing angnut kala urlong kipat ba ki de ban ai ka jing trelang ni suthu ba pentre ya ka lenti kendon hi kijing wit kijing war hagalit kawan kalam de long ba habarang gadon kumpum habaslap de kijing kiti te kat barang pentre ke kam kijing karpat ngai hi ba long ba ken yesha bat kumju ro bikin ai kijing trelang.
This long-awaited road construction is set to significantly improve transportation, benefiting local communities and enhancing regional connectivity. While the construction may present temporary challenges, the long-term benefits for both the community and future generations are undeniable, making this project a vital step towards improved infrastructure and progress in the region. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 21 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 30 degrees Celsius, relative humidity is 53% and rainfall is 5.5 millimeters. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 15.3 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 21.4 degrees Celsius, relative humidity is 65% and rainfall is 13.2 millimeters. Meanwhile, in Jowai, minimum temperature 20 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 16 degrees Celsius, relative humidity is 73% and rainfall is 4.3 millimeters. And forecast in Tura, Jowai and Shillong says that moderate rain is likely to occur in most places. And now for the headlines once again. Nehusu president arrested for allegedly assaulting assistant professor. Shillong observes silent shutdown to mourn Pahalgam terror. Meghalaya stands united in candlelight vigils for Pahalgam terror. STEM's school buses ease Shillong traffic, ensure safe commute for students. Nongpo police crack down on smoking near schools. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.